Welcome to Troop Transfers with eBuddy. Troops may transfer cookies between themselves. Make sure to write a receipt for all transactions. The troop giving the product needs to record the transfer in eBuddy. To transfer cookies, log into eBuddy. Then click on the Transactions tab. Click Add a Transaction. A product transaction form will be displayed to fill out. Only one troop needs to complete the form. The transaction is two-sided, which means one transaction will remove cookies from the troop giving them away and adding them to the troop that gets the cookies. Enter the date of the transfer in the pickup field. The receipt number will autofill. The type should be normal. In the drop-down box for second party, make sure to choose Troop and type the troop number for the troop that will be receiving the cookies. Make sure to select Remove Product from the drop-down box so the transaction will remove the product from your troop and add it to the troop you're transferring to. Enter the number of cases or packages that you're transferring. Click OK, then click the purple Save button on the Transaction tab. Both troops must sign and keep receipts for the transfer.